Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Salini and I'm from Bihar, and I help you to speak English fluently with confidence and without any hesitation. And this is my take 3. I recorded as you all know, I record my videos, and when I was recording this video, actually my two previous video got uh, I just made some mistakes, so this is my take 3. Okay, so I'm also making mistakes in this video, but this time I thought, no, I am going to record. Whatever happens, I'm going to record. It's okay, mistakes will make me fluent, and it will teach me something later. So this time I'm not going to set this video off, and you can also identify my mistakes whatever I am going to speak. So in this video I'm going to speak anything. Anything means anything. Yeah, I'm not going to choose any special topic. I'm not going to um like script this video. Actually, I just want to speak whatever comes in my mind. I just want to speak. Okay, so yeah, this is all. And actually guys, I was thinking that I make videos on YouTube for you all, and I want you to be a fluent speaker. And as you all know, I am also an English learner, and I am here to improve my English. I want to be a confident English speaker, and I know you also want to be a confident English speaker. It's your dream, so it's my dream as well. Actually, we are on the same journey, right? You also want to learn English, I also want to learn English. Okay, so goal is the same. So what is the difference is learning style, speaking style. Maybe your learning style is different, my learning style is different, right? So it's okay, no problem. Your learning style is different, my learning style is different, and whoever is watching this video all around the world, everyone's learning style is different. So no problem, that's the uh, it's okay. But the goal is same. We all want to learn English, we all want to speak fluent English, right? So in order to speak fluently, in order to speak confidently, what we should do? So the first thing I always say, and as you all know, first thing is to speak. Start speaking. You need to start speaking. Okay. And I want to tell you in this video that stop learning English. Okay. Learning is not going to teach you, learning is not going to help you to speak English fluently. Learning is not the solution to this problem, and learning is not the solution to achieve this goal. And our goal is to speak English fluently, but learning is not the solution. What is the solution then? The solution is using English. Yeah, if you learn, it is not going to help you speak. You need to use English, use in daily life. Like, you need to speak, and when you speak, you are using English. Like, you need to describe things in English. Like, right now I am on the terrace and I am recording this video. You can see right now I am on the terrace. You can see this is my terrace, my home terrace, and I am recording this video over here, and there is no one around me, and I just make video alone because I feel peace, and I feel a little bit confident when I record alone, because when someone is around me, I don't feel uh, confident. I just feel like they are watching me and something like that. So I like to record videos alone. Okay, and that's why I came here. So it is evening time, and you can see, uh, after some time there will be dark, but before that I want to start this video, and whatever I want to tell, I am going to tell you in this video. So guys, I want you to tell you that please start speaking, start using English instead of learning. Don't learn words and grammar and all. Start using. Don't think anything, start using. Just see any sentence words and start using. The main thing is using. When you start use, it's going to help you a lot in your learning English learning journey. So guys, this is all I want to tell you. This video is not any special, and I just make video to tell you this, to give you this message that start using English. It's okay, your English is broken, it's okay, but guys, if you will not use your English, if you will not use your brain, it is not going to teach you English. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to start speaking. Okay, like the word is mango. So I like mango. I like mango shake, I like mango chocolate, I like mango ice cream. And in my home, everybody likes mango. So guys, it's okay, I made mistakes, doesn't matter. I use this word, I made sentence, that's it. So guys, if you will start using sentences, it's going to easy for you, and you will not start now, it is going to be tough for you every day. Okay, so please start speaking and keep going. That's it. Bye bye, mama is calling me.